How's it going, guys? Just purchased another Datsun 280Z. This one's a 75. I literally just brought it home. Had to tow it. I think the starter went bad. So here it is. Here's my first looks at it. So in the back we got some packages here. We still don't know what's in them. We have a extra seat for whatever reason. I don't know what's up with that. This is gonna be a full-on restoration here we're gonna do. E-brake doesn't even work, but not too bad of a find. So here's what the interior looks like. Try to squeeze in here. So everything's pretty much in here. So it looks like we're running, it probably rolled over, but it says 100 or 10,606 miles. I'm thinking it probably rolled over at least once. It's not too bad, I'm hoping. I'm thinking I have a parasitic draw somewhere because the battery keeps kind of like dying on me. Here's what the interior looks like. I'm planning on taking those off. This is my second 280Z that I own. So yeah, this is kind of like the video, the first day of it. Pretty cool. My other one was a 78. So I don't know. We're gonna do a full-on restore. Let's see what we find on those packages back there. It looks like we got some of like the inside of the door, the handles that go on the inside. That's pretty cool. Yes. This looks like those go for the wheels. Wonder how much these run for. Kind of curious. I don't know if these are like OG Japanese style or what. Tires look pretty good too. They almost look pretty new right there. So look, we got some door locks here. That's cool. Hardware, all sorts of hardware. Fender, yeah. Front fender bolts, upper front grille. Yeah, brand new hardware for the whole, looks like for the whole front end. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Horns to body, yeah, this is a whole new.
You got all the info in here.
Oh yeah. So this is from Z-Guard Depot. So it looks like it came in with a whole bunch of, so it says right here, fender trim front body, stainless steel bolts, 240, door locks on the side with keys. Oh, okay, that's cool. We got new keys. I'm assuming that's what this is. This is a new ignition. That's cool. Brand new keys and everything. Awesome.
Yeah, that receipt also.
The receipt for that one. Let's see how much we saved here. Not bad. 60 bucks. We get a brand new ignition with keys. That's awesome. Brand new parts. Oh, window door handles. Or window handles, actually. The little crank thingies. With new, awesome. So this one says window crank handles, washers. Yeah, cool. Got more goodies. So it looks like a brand new handle for the door. We are missing the one over here, so that's gonna work out pretty handy. If you can see that right there. Both of them, both sides. Cool. Probably the handles, yeah. Pretty awesome. I'm actually really excited about this project. So I went ahead and popped the hood for you guys. pretty much what the engine bay looks like. So I'm gonna go buy the starter right now, and then hopefully that's our starting issue, because the guy ended up jumped, started fine, but then we jumped it the second time and it started to sizzle up on the solenoid right there. So, and then it didn't want to start after that, so I'm thinking the starter is officially bad. We're gonna end up doing that right now, so hopefully we get the car running. Let's go check out this side real quick. Cool. A lot of spider webs down there. Nice. So we're here at my buddy Max's shop. Look at this freaking 280Z. So I just came from the store, bought myself a 83 Nissan 280ZX starter instead of a 75. They were telling me that these actually are better for this car. It's a little more high performance, and you know, just make the car start up a little bit easier and faster. So let's get started with that. Cool. So these are the two parts right here. Just took off the other ones, just two simple bolts, top and bottom. This one's a little bit slimmer on the 83. All around, you can see the two pieces right there. So let's go ahead and install these. Alright guys, so got the car up and running. Sounds really good. The only thing that I noticed is probably going to need some kind of like valve adjustment. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Here for that noise. It's probably just going to need a quick little valve adjustment, but I feel like after that the car should be running pretty solid. I do got to bleed the brakes. They're a little, you know, you have to put your foot all the way down in order for it to do anything. So it's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, this is the first day with the Datsun. Starts right up. Let's try that again. So I'm going to turn her off right there. Let's try to turn her on. Let's see what happens. Let's look at the RPMs. Nice. Shadow's nice and low. I am gonna get, like I said, I'm gonna get her a tune-up, change the oil. I don't know how long it's, you know, been sitting, you know, all that. But yeah, this is the first day with the Datsun. Not even the first day. I've been owning it for a couple hours now. and she's already being a blast. So cool, guys. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens.